Hi, my name is Dr. Aizat. I'm an A&E registrar working at a hospital in East London. Well, I do ultrasound a lot at work, working in the A&E, and I guess in a way I want to have a more structured way of doing ultrasound, and also to polish my skill as well, because the last time I did an ultrasound course, it was a couple of years ago, and this FUSIC course, it focuses more on the heart and lung ultrasound, which is something that I want to be better at. Yeah, so just because in A&E we see lots of patients with heart and lung problems, so I just want to be better doing ultrasound in both areas for the patients. Well, I think the practical session, so you get to do ultrasound on different people, and you get to repeat your ultrasound practice multiple times, so it just boosts your confidence as well. So yeah, I especially like the practical aspect of the course. Yeah, definitely. I would definitely recommend this course to all my doctor friends, especially those working in the A&E, ITU, or even acute medicine. Highly recommend it.